What is up guys, today I will show you how to downgrade the firmware of your Ninebot MAX G30 scooter, how to lower the version of DRV and any others, and this allows you actually to unlock your scooter as well. So following those steps you can downgrade your scooter very simple and very fast. And let's check it out. So Segway mobility app here, and as you see, that's what we have right now. The version here, it's opening, all the latest updates installed, as you see. So it's on the latest firmware, so it's working on any firmware, old or new one, in 2026. And the first what you should do is to close the Segway app, close it fully. For stop, okay, stop it right now. Then open the ScooterHacking Utility app. It's only available for Android, so be careful. Select Max G30 here. So it's pinging the scooter, and once you connect it, almost. So to show you, I can use EU G30 version, so it's limited to 25 km per hour, so you can check it out. I put a 0 starting speed, and maximum speed is 25. What you need to do first is to click on 3 dots, hardware details, and copy UIDC here, so just copy it. So it's copied to clipboard. After this, open the Telegram app, and I've just shared to you the link to this bot here. So what you need to do is to click start. Okay, click start. I understand. Actually, this bot is working by invitation, so if you need an invitation, I will leave a link in the description below. You can open the group, and I or other guys will provide to you access to this group. It's not owned by me, but I support you to get this access. So actually select Max G30. So as you see, the scooters available are here, G30 Max, and copy UID. So you will receive the firmware when it's ready. So actually they see the code OK. So now I have the firmware file with a special design for my scooter to downgrade the firmware in order to change the region. So download this file, click save. Okay, so after this you need to be back to the Scooter Utility app, go to Flash here, load from file, select my files, and I renamed it. You will have the name with your UID, select it, and start flashing. So it starts flashing now, and as you see, it's actually flashing well. Should be done very fastly. After this, using this file, you can just save this file. You can always downgrade your Ninebot. Doesn't matter which firmware do you have. And actually, it's quite convenient to use it with any Ninebot scooter. Actually, all supported Ninebot scooters. All the time you need to copy UID, and you will get a new file. It's available 1 per 3 days. So as you see here, it's almost done, 100%, and DRV version, so the main board version, will be lower. What you need to do is to go to info, and you can see here the version is 1.8.7, so actually it's lower version. Before it was 1.8.11. Using this ScooterHacking Utility app, you can also change BLE, DRV, BMS. All the versions can be downgraded very simply without damaging your scooter.